Hello everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at the Kenmore DU4080 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum, a lightweight, versatile, and powerful vacuum designed for homes with pets, carpets, and hard floors. If you want efficient cleaning without heavy lifting, this model is built to make your routine faster and easier. The DU4080 features 2-motor power suction, delivering strong performance for carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Its Featherlite lift-up design allows you to easily raise the vacuum to clean stairs, upholstery, or tight spaces without strain. Being bagless, it simplifies emptying and maintenance, letting you see when the dustbin is full and reducing the need for replacement bags. Equipped with a HEPA filter, this vacuum traps fine dust, allergens, and pet dander, helping improve indoor air quality, a must for households with pets or allergy concerns. The DU4080 comes with 2 cleaning tools, perfect for tackling crevices, furniture, and delicate surfaces, making it a true all-in-one solution. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures you can maneuver effortlessly around furniture, corners, and stairs. Despite its compact build, the vacuum doesn't compromise on suction power, effectively lifting dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its vibrant orange design adds a stylish touch to your cleaning tools. Whether you need to tackle stubborn pet hair, everyday dust, or deep carpet dirt, the Kenmore DU4080 Featherlite Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum combines power, portability, and practical features to deliver professional quality cleaning at home. Don't wait, upgrade your cleaning game today. Check the Amazon link in the description, hit like, and subscribe for more detailed reviews of top household cleaning essentials.